Here we are showing you the ready-to-go signage frame. What applications are these used for? Well, to name a couple, there's the real estate industry, and then there's the outdoor promotional industry. These can be used for maybe advertising a sale or even directing attendees to an outdoor event. And what benefits are they with these frames? There's the no welding, so you as a signee don't have to do any more welding for outdoor signage frames, and there's easy distribution as they come flat packed, and then when you get through to applying the sign to the frame, that's very easy as well. So here we will show you how that's all put together. So we have the four parts to the frame itself. We've got the two uprights, and then we've got the two horizontals. We'll put those horizontals onto the upright now. Get the other one and put this one on at the top. Then we get the other upright and put that together like so. And if it requires a little bit more pressure, you can either use a mallet or put a bit more pressure on when you've got it on the ground. So that's now ready to go. We'll put the actual signage panels on. In relation to signage panels, there are a couple of types of materials that you may want to use depending on the application. Probably one of the most common materials is the flute sheet, the right flute, or else you could maybe use a aluminium composite as well. Today we'll use the flute sheet and show you how that's put on with double-sided tape. Okay, we'll put that panel into the frame. One of the most common but also easiest solutions in installing your ready-to-go signage frame is inserting it or setting it up over star pickets. The actual frame uprights fit straight over a standard star picket. So hit the star picket into the ground and then you're ready to set up your ready-to-go signage frame. In relation to the ways of taking away your signage frame and taking the signage panel off it, there's a couple of methods, but the easiest way would be to get maybe a piece of thin piano wire and put it down in between the signage panel and the metal frame, and using the seesaw action and take off the actual adhesive. But it also depends on whether you wanted to create a permanent signage application or a semi-permanent. If it is a permanent signage application, you will just leave it as is and ready to go for your next signage application. If you take it back to your signage workshop, you obviously leave it as is, and if you have used a salve to or self-adhesive vinyl to print your full colour graphics, you can just peel that straight off and put your new sign on ready to go.